New tech insights reveal a surprising trick in quantum sensing by leveraging biological rhythms to stabilize measurements. By syncing sensor readouts with natural environmental cycles, engineers cut noise and improve accuracy without bulky hardware. This approach reuses existing cycles like day and night to calibrate instruments in real time. Early pilots in portable medical imaging show sharper signals while consuming less power than traditional systems. The shift could unlock calmer data streams for autonomous devices from drones to wearables, making tech more reliable. Experts caution that rigorous testing is essential to avoid unexpected biases in real-world environments.